Because of him, we are late.
Yeah. Because of me.
We are late because of
Now you know who comes over. It's me. So next time when you book a show with me, remember that you call me early because I always will be late. Okay?
but still will be late.
Now
I'm going to meet Jolene again, so pretty excited to meet her. She's also very excited to meet me. So waiting to go start the journey and so let's go. I have been uploading the vlogs really late these days because by the time I come home I was tired, I was exhausted, and every time I try to complete a vlog, like edit the vlog, I used to always like fall asleep.
Second Life Fashion pop-up, which has got great value second-hand clothes, which are highly sustainable and have lots of brands at great value prices. People are astounded by our quality, and we're going to be all over London in the next month.
okay.
Tomorrow Leighton, and then Stratford, Westfield, White City, all of it.
Thank Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. See you again. Ciao, ciao. Bye.
Bye.
We are at sale. We are gone for VR sale, and from there when we were traveling to Wembley, the bus broke down on the way, so we gotta wait for the next bus.
Last time MACD and Coke.
So what did we do? What did we do? We stopped back. What did we do?
We just came here and we are not eating anything, we are just drinking. So we don't go to any tabaks and stuff right now, we just come to MACD to drink Coca-Cola.
Off license.
Yeah.
Not tabak. Tabak is in Switzerland. I've got into a habit of saying tabak too. We're gonna go directly now to Jolene's place. We're waiting to reach to her place. But whenever you want to go early, you're always late. See this guy. See this guy.
Drink it like this.
People who love playing the guitar, right? It's going to get. Be careful at the back.
Don't
People-
give out the, you know, the surprise element.
People who will like to play the guitar and you're doing this right here, they're going to be like heartbroken. Welcome back to Here we go. What is Jolene's? What is it called? No, Jolene hates this time of the day. Why? I just told her that in the near future. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Hi, thank you for watching this vlog. No. I should be even more louder. She should stay in Wembley because Monsoon is becoming too much of a distance. We're meeting in central London. Tell them is the guitar over there.